How to react to a message with emoji in Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can react to a message with emoji in Instagram. Now if you open the app, make sure your app is updated to the latest version and head over to your message by tapping on the message icon that you can find on the top right of your screen. And here you can see my chats. You'll find your chats here. And now if you open up chat and you want to reply or react to a certain message with an emoji, now all you need to do is long press on the text, and here you'll get the option to reply, forward, copy, report, and you can tap and hold to super react here, or you can just tap on the emoji. Now you'll get the sets of emoji here on the screen, but if you want to react with some other emoji, you can tap on the plus icon right here and you can find your reactions that are available on your device or on your Instagram, and you can react any emoji that you like from here. You can see this, or if you long tap and if you hold for super emoji, you can react like this. So this way you can react to a message with emoji in Instagram. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.